And let's point this out. This is a developing crisis. Just this afternoon, the FDA issued a consumer alert telling people who do vape to not use any vaping products that have the component THC in them. It's a cannabis-related component. Meanwhile, here in Nassau County, legislation proposed today to keep vaping out of parks like this. It should just be a fun day with Grandma at the playground, but a rising dangerous trend sparked conversation about hazardous behavior that the playground isn't necessarily safe from.
My son unfortunately vapes, and he's slowly stopping it because of everything that's going on.
How many kids have died in the past couple of months because of it?
They're both talking about the latest figures on the hazards of vaping. In the U.S. alone, the number of vaping-related deaths is now at 20, with one case reported this week in New Jersey. 1,080 illnesses from vaping are also reported. 275 of those reported in the last week alone.
We have written letters to schools as 12-year-olds have to be allowed to chew nicotine replacement gum because they've become addicted.
The local pediatricians organization leader was on hand for the announcement of a ban on smoking and vaping in parks throughout Nassau County. Currently, a smoking ban in parks like this is in county guidelines, but it's not law. The proposed law would do what the sign says, ban both smoking and vaping. The proposal comes a day after New Jersey's governor proposed banning flavored vapes, and on the day such a ban was to take effect across New York State. A court stopped that ban, at least for now.
And if the state does it, that's great, that's wonderful, we fully support that, but in the meantime, we're going to get it done down here.
Park goers we met agree, provided one other thing happens.
If it gets enforced, it'll be effective. If it's not, just like anything else.
Now, the county law could go into effect about a month from now if the county legislature approves it. Meanwhile, the statewide ban on flavored e-cigarettes, well, it has another court hearing October 18th. If the state prevails, it could become state law by the end of the month.